Alright, so I'm finally ready to put on our Phenolic spacers. I finally got my package in. These are just the longer bolts that I waited, I don't know, 3 days for so that I can put on the Phenolic spacers. I didn't realize I needed these, so the whole intake manifold was out. So luckily, I had some time to order it, and now I get a chance to put them on. Literally, there's 2 sets of bolts, one for the left side, one for the right side. And all they are is just a little bit longer bolts. So this is what we're getting right here. Okay, some washers, one side, and here's the other side, and that is really it. There's really nothing else to it. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting on the Phenolic spacers. I already kind of cleaned underneath the tape. Then we'll put the TGVs back on, then we'll put the turbo inlet back on, then we'll put the intake manifold back on, then we'll wrap up the AOS. So let me get the camera over there and show you what it's going to look like. Here, just so you can see the comparison, here is the OEM bolts. Here's the one that I ordered. And it's just a little bit longer for the extra threads, so that should be enough to reach for what we're going to be needing it for. So let me get these going. Alright, now we're finally ready for these spacers. So it comes with 4 gaskets, one on the bottom from the block to the Phenolic spacer, one on the top of the Phenolic spacer to the TGVs. So I'm going to put these on. I've already wiped it down, I already took off my tape, and they're all in the same direction, so you just got to figure out how to put them in what way. But let me get that going for you. Finally putting these on after how many times we've unboxed them. There's been a lot of ongoing boxing and unboxing with these already. Okay, got the little guides on. Finally installing the Phenolic spacers after I don't know how many months of boxing and unboxing these damn things. Okay, and I'm gonna leave the last gasket off and I'm gonna go to the other side. So let me go get started. Finally done, finally done, finally done. Alright, so I got the other side bolted on. It was a little pain because I didn't take out the little guides. I put the new guides so that everything kind of stays in place. So I'm going to kind of just be finessing with this a little bit and then trying to get it to go all the way through. On the other side it already gripped, so hopefully this doesn't give me too much of a hard time. I don't know how I did it earlier. Got one. Here more to go. The last time I just used the corners and I tried to figure out where my alignment was from there. Okay, that's not working. Kind of hard to see. I don't know how I did it the last time. Can't really see what I am doing now. Okay, let me try to do it another way. So I'm struggling now. Alright, after fighting with the intake manifold for the last hour, I got some new TGV to intake manifold gaskets. I'm just gonna put this on. I already put the other one on the other side. This might be a little bit harder because of this wire harness. So I'm gonna see how I can actually, no, I'm gonna clean it first. And then I'm going to put the gasket on. Get some acetone. Hopefully I can fit my fingers through there after all this struggle. Ow! I have cuts. It hurts. Next time we do this, make sure you don't have any cuts. Oh, man. Oh, I just gotta do one more side. I can get to it. I literally fought with this intake manifold for at least an hour. Let's scrape something off there. Let me slide my gasket in there. It's a Grimmspeed gasket. Just crack it open right now. And afterwards, we should be somewhat home free. Good to go. Let me just bolt her up.